Today we're going to go over how to change the batteries in a Jazzy Select. So we're going to start by unplugging the power cable, which would be right here. The next step is we're going to fold our seat down, and then we're going to have to take the seat off. So what you would do, I would recommend 2 people for this, but you can do it by yourself. There's a little lever here you're going to push forward, and then reach around the other side of the chair, and it should lift straight off, and you can move it out of your way. Now that the seat is off, we can take off this back shroud here. You can just lift it up from the back, a little bit of Velcro, and it should pop up. Just like that. Now we have access to our batteries. So we're going to start by unplugging the battery cables. You just kind of pull them. There's 2 of them. And then we want to undo these straps. 1 and 2. And now we can take our batteries out of the chair. Now we want to take the cables off the old batteries. We're going to use 2 10mm wrenches. We want to start by removing these terminal covers. You can just slide them back. And then there's a bolt that's holding the cable onto the battery. So we're going to start with our 2 10mm wrenches. You want to undo that bolt. Then take the bolt out. And you can slide the cables off. I'm going to do that to all 4 terminals. Now we're going to attach our cables to the new batteries. You're going to start with your 10mm bolts, put it through the battery terminal. Then you want to attach your cable just like that. Some bolts will have a regular washer. You would put that on. Not all of them will. Most will come with a lock washer you want to put on next. And then you want to put on your nut. Then tighten it by hand. Then with your 2 wrenches, you want to tighten it down so that the cable does not move. So you know that cable's not going to go anywhere. You want to do that to all 4 terminals, and then put your little terminal covers back on. When connecting your battery cables, you want to make sure you have your negative going to your negative terminal and your positive going to your positive. In this case, it's red to red and black to black, but if there's no color code, you want negative to negative, positive to positive, and you get 1 cable per battery. You're not going to run these in a series. Now that your cables are on your batteries, we're going to put the batteries back in the chair. I've got these tie-down straps to the side so that they're out of my way. You're going to drop your batteries in, or then strap them down. Here's the first one. Then the second one. And then once you're done strapping your batteries down, you're going to plug them back in. Just like that. And now we're going to put our shroud back on. So the shroud, it's got little tabs here that go under the front shroud, and you want to make sure your power cable is sitting in this notch right here. Once it's lined up, you can just push it down. Little Velcro in the back, and your power cable is free to be plugged in. And now we're going to put the seat back on. I would fully recommend getting 2 people to do it, but if you absolutely have to do it by yourself, I would recommend holding it so that you can see the underside, and that little post goes right in here. Then it should settle by itself. Then lastly, you just want to plug your power cable back in. And we have power, and we have new batteries installed in our chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.